Aloha everybody. I have two very special guests with me today in addition to Crazy Lexi. I have Flat Stanley, #1 from Jacqueline, and Flat Stanley from Jonathan. This is Flat Stanley, who is a school project from Fremont, Nebraska, and they sent us their Flat Stanley in hopes that they could have a little trip to Hawaii. So they're going to be joining us this week, and we're going to be taking pictures of our Flat Stanleys as we have our normal everyday life here in Hawaii. So to start off, we live on the island of Oʻahu, which is one of the 8 main islands in the Hawaiian chain. And it's the island where Honolulu and Waikiki is, so it's the most populated island that we have here in the Pacific island states of Hawaii. And actually, you know, the local people, that's how they say Hawaii. It's spelled with a W, but they say Hawaii, like it's a little bit pronounced like a V. So if you want to sound like a local, you say Hawaii instead of Hawaii. So there's a little tip for you all. Now, I like to go over Hawaiian words when we do our Beachwalks episode. And so the Hawaiian word for children is keiki. It's K-E-I-K-I, keiki. So to all of the keiki in Nebraska that are studying about travel and learning about the world and different cultures, all of the keiki here and Lexi and me and secret cameraman, we all say aloha to you, and we'll see you after we have our little week together.
Sun's up and I'm gone, got my knapsack on, gotta keep moving forward, need no watch or phone. Now you can call me homeless on a rolling stone. I ain't that particular, I'm settling a home. When it came down to my choice, I thought that's it. Didn't think I had a flow to present the right fit. But if y'all got blues, turn the bass a little bit. Y'all better watch, Billboard's got the next hit. Talking jam, up the rhythm alive. A high five, kick off the charts, watch the veterans take a nosedive. Well, there shine the light on this beware of my style so rare. Cause at the verse can't compare, not trying to force the signs of all. To the test, that in stress, you lose follicles. Music evolved into ever change, rearrange style upon style to some, it may be strange. And with each new flavor comes a new task. Only one responsible for hyping a mask. The latest craze, so out goes the trash. Hold on tight, we're about to rise fast. And I'm gone, got my knapsack on, gotta keep moving forward, need no watch or phone. Now you can call me homeless on a rolling stone. I ain't that particular, I'm settling a home. I'm feeling this, yo, you know I shorten my fuse. I grab the mic confessing that I got the blues, cause things just aren't the same as they used to be. I roam the street until I find the right vision I need to rock and trade. Stop something that unlike feng shui is out.
Okay, so to all of the keiki in Mrs. Riddler's class and Mrs. Manka class, aloha, ahuiho, that means till we meet again, and malamapono, that means take care. We'll see you later.
Me soon, me tell you what I found. I'm catching a vibe in every city, county, state around. Don't need conviction, got the proof right here. A sound original, I'm sure you have. Bring it in your ears. Here ends the next chapter in this lyrical book. I'm also what I do right now.